Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. And look what I have here today, guys. Fruity Pebbles. I just love Fruity Pebbles. They are one of my favorite kids cereals. So I'm going to be making a Fruity Pebbles breakfast bread. This is so fun. Kids will just love this. If you have a hard time getting your kids to eat breakfast, then try making this Fruity Pebbles breakfast bread. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make it. So you are going to need 2 cups of Fruity Pebbles and then a handful to sprinkle over top of the bread. 3 eggs, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of a Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of oil, then a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. All right, so I have a large mixing bowl here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blend together my sugar and my oil. All right, then I'm going to add 1 egg at a time. Next, I'm going to add my Greek yogurt. And this is just a plain Greek yogurt. And then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to add my flour, my baking powder, and a pinch of salt, and blend that together. I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl here and give it another mix. All right, then I'm going to add my Fruity Pebbles, 2 cups. And then I'm just going to fold these Fruity Pebbles into my batter. Okay. Stay. All right. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my batter into a loaf pan. Now this is my silicone loaf pan. I've had this forever. I love it because you don't have to spray it with any non-stick spray. But yeah, it does look a little rough, but yeah, don't judge me. All right, so let me pour my batter into my loaf pan. All right, just going to spread this bread out evenly. All right, then I'm just going to take a handful of these Fruity Pebbles and sprinkle over top. All right, then I'm going to bake this bread in a 350-degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until you can do a toothpick test and the toothpick comes out clean. Just look at my Fruity Pebbles breakfast bread. Oh my goodness, guys. This looks so good. I have let it cool for about 15 minutes or so. Now I'm going to take it out of this loaf pan and I'm going to slice it up. Just look at that. This bread is like, it's beautiful with all the colors in it from the Fruity Pebbles. Yeah. It is tender and moist. Mm. Mm. Wow. All right, guys, this bread is so delicious. I think it'll really surprise you at how good it is. Mm. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.